Your router bits represent a significant investment requiring routine maintenance that can sometimes be difficult. Woodworkers know that router bit fasteners must be tight for the tool to work properly. When they need to be tightened or later removed, how do you safely stop the bit from rotating? The router bit quick vise solves that problem. Simply insert the shank into the quick vise and it's instantly locked into place. The quick vise makes the old methods of gripping a bit for maintenance obsolete. It reduces the risk of cuts and scrapes resulting from holding a bit directly in the hand. Scuffing and scoring of the shank from using pliers is also now eliminated. It even replaces the slow and inconvenient method of using the router collet. The router bit quick vise couples a precisely machined aluminum housing with the unique properties of an overrunning clutch. To use, simply slip the shank into the appropriate clutch. That's it. There are no adjustments, no clamps, no additional tools, and no worries about shank damage. When tightening or loosening a screw, the force of any applied torque is distributed around the circumference of the shank, preventing the router bit from turning in a selected direction. To stop the bit from rotating in the opposite direction, just flip 180 degrees and reinsert the shank. The design accepts both 1/4 inch and 1/2 inch shanks and is maintenance free.